Well, I've finished the Blacksmith Shop now. I haven't decided where I'm going to put it on the layout just yet. This is the finished Blacksmith Shop now. I've added the lean-to the side there, oxy bottles, little rack in there for the materials. The guy here, he's sawing the timber there, put some more racking up. We come over to the blacksmith, guy working the bellows. I put another light there at the front so that you can see the blacksmith a lot better and you can see what work he's doing. So I've got 3 interior lights in there, and that's showing up pretty well. The fire is flickering away there, and round to the side, and I've weathered this with some powdered colours up there on the roof as well. It's turned out pretty good. Getting the lighting to work to balance out the inside, so that you still get the shadows and the glows working in well. That's a bit tricky, but yeah, now you can see the blacksmith here at the front. That's much better, being able to see him there than the shadow of the roof above him hiding it there. This guy with his saw. So yep, so that's turned out pretty good. Now to figure out where I'm going to put it in the layout. This is the next animation which I've done, and turning one and off. Down he goes. So he's having a bit of a look there, and then he's got to turn his head so he doesn't get a spark in his eye. So I've got a double movement there with his head and the arm moving. These are leads that I put in there so far, wiring them all up to get this fire happening. When he pumps it there, that the flickering, there it is, the flickering goes on. There we go, that's the blacksmith and his mate on the forge and the bellows. There we go. That's how everything's working. Multitude of tiny wires, 2 motors, and the little circuits that I've showed you to get things to work.